Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well, staying home and trying to entertain yourself at your home itself. So yes, today's video will be very interesting as I literally forgot that I ordered this facial kit and I was like, let's film like a first impressions kind of video just to use it in front of you guys and see how this works, how this goes. So yes, I'm talking about this Good Vibes Pearl Skin Illuminating Facial Kit. This is how the kit looks like, and it has 4 tubes in it. It contains like 4 tubes right here. Okay, so I removed my makeup and now it's time to test this baby out, and I will take out these tubes right here. The first step is the skin illuminating cleanser. Step 1 is also mentioned, which is great. First, I'm gonna just wet my face with this mineral water spray because obviously you will do this near the sink, but I cannot go. The generous amount, and now I'm gonna take the cleanser. Like this much is enough, I think. Like this tube can last you like 3, 4, 5 uses, I think. And it's like cream, I would say. But let's see. It smells amazing. I think I have taken less, taken a little bit of more, not little, I would say. Taken a good generous amount. I think it's time to rinse this off. I will quickly rinse this off and we'll be right back. And my skin looks pretty clear. Now let's move on to the second step, which is their skin illuminating scrub, and this is how it looks like, and step 2 is mentioned. So I'm gonna wet my face. Okay, gonna take the scrub, like good generous amount, like this much is enough. Okay, it has quite thick granules, I would say, as I could feel. Yes, the granules are pretty like dense, I would say. Scrub it very gently as it has like granules, so you don't have to be like super harsh onto your skin. Focus on your nose more because we have that blackhead issue. Like I do have a lot of blackhead issue. I'm gonna take a little bit of water. Now I will quickly wash my face and we'll be right back. Wash up my face and my skin literally looks super glowing, like you can seriously see. And moreover, my skin feels super soft, like super soft. Okay. Now let's move on to step 3, which is skin illuminating massage cream. Okay, so they do say that massage this cream for 5 to 10 minutes, which is insane, you guys. Like my hands will start hurting. And then my hands are clean. I think this much cream will be enough. And it's very moisturizing. Face, it's for massaging. I think we are done. Now I'm gonna take like a good facial wipe. You can take like a wet cloth as well. So I'm gonna wipe the excess. Okay, so now we will move on to the last part, which is a mask. So voila, we are done, and now we'll keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and wash this off, and we'll be right back. Washed up my face completely, and you can clearly see a huge difference. My skin is glowing, my nose is like glowing, my skin is looking pretty good, I think. And they haven't written anything that you have to use something other like moisturize something, but I will use, obviously my skin is feeling very soft, but obviously I cannot leave it like so I will just spray some toner first, taking this aqueous toner from Nelf, will mention in the below description. It's totally optional. I think my skin is feeling soft, but I cannot sleep without moisturizer. It's just a thing in my head. Maybe oily skin people can, I don't know, but I think moisturizing is very important. Chahe toner use karo na karo, I think moisturization is very important. I'm taking this Pond's moisturizer, my OG. Okay, so that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions of this Good Vibes Pearl Illuminating Kit. I think you should definitely give it a shot. I think they have like 4-5 variants in it, gold, silver, something like that, but I thought of picking up the pearl one, and this retails for 250. I think such a steal deal. Facial under 250 rupees is something great, and you should definitely get your hands on this one. My skin looks super clean right now, and I'm super happy. I can use it 2 times more, which is great, I think. So yeah, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.